Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg, creator of CleanSmart Academy, where we transform ordinary people into extraordinary cleaners. With the power of animation and cutting-edge technology, we've redefined how cleaners are trained, making it engaging, effective, and scalable. As many of you know, I used to travel extensively to train cleaning teams. But that approach, while highly effective, was costly and limited to large companies with the capital to be able to afford it. Smaller cleaning services, often the ones who needed the help most, couldn't access the same game-changing training. When COVID hit, travel stopped, and I saw an opportunity to change the industry. I spent those years refining cleaning processes and procedures, rolling them into an online training platform that takes the guesswork out of training. But here's the key lesson. Training alone isn't enough. Implementation is everything. Without the right onboarding and application, even the best training tools can go unused, just like software you purchase but never set up. That's why CleanSmart Academy has evolved to support every step of the process. Our cleaning doesn't just teach cleaners, it equips owners and trainers with the tools to implement it effectively. We now offer virtual in-home training, where I personally guide trainers and cleaners through real-time feedback sessions. Karen, one of the first to try this, was a part of a paradigm shift that proved I didn't need to physically be in your office to deliver transformational training. This is the new world of cleaning education, online, accessible, and cost-effective for businesses of any size. Our specialized software ensures your cleaners are fully trained with your products, your tools, and your actions before stepping into a home. And we provide live onboarding sessions to help you tailor the training to your specific needs. Ready to save time, reduce payroll, and perfect your training system? Register for a demo today. Meet our onboarding team and see how CleanSmart Academy can revolutionize your business. Until next time, clean smarter, not harder.